In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of your Zoom virtual background not showing up. If you're having trouble with this feature, don't worry, we've got you covered with a few simple steps that should take no more than 5 minutes. So let's dive right in and get your virtual background up and running smoothly. First, you'll want to open up the Zoom application on your computer. Once you have it open, take a moment to ensure that you're logged into your Zoom account so you can access all the necessary settings. Next, move your cursor to the top right corner where your profile picture is displayed. Click on your profile picture and from the drop-down menu, select Check for Updates. This step is crucial because having the most current version of Zoom can often resolve many issues, including problems with virtual backgrounds. If there's an update available, just follow the prompts to install the latest version. It might take a minute, but it will significantly help with ensuring all features work properly. After updating, navigate to the Settings button. You'll find it by clicking on the gear icon within the Zoom interface. In the Settings menu, look for the Background and Effects section. Here, you need to make sure the virtual background option is toggled on. This feature must be enabled for you to select and use virtual backgrounds during your Zoom meetings. If it's already toggled on and you're still experiencing problems, don't worry. We have a couple more tweaks to try. Lighting can play a big role in how well your virtual background functions. If your physical background isn't well lit, Zoom might struggle to separate you from the background, so make sure your face is well lit, either by natural light or an artificial light source. It's best to avoid bright lights directly behind you, as they can create shadows and make it difficult for the virtual background to appear correctly. In addition to lighting, the type of background behind you can affect how your virtual background performs. A solid color, preferably green or blue, tends to work best because there's often a higher contrast between you and your background, which helps your computer distinguish the boundary. And there you have it. By ensuring that you're using the latest version of Zoom, checking that the virtual background feature is enabled, and making a few adjustments to your lighting and background setup, you should be able to solve most issues with your Zoom virtual background. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video was helpful in enhancing your Zoom experience. If you found value in this content, please consider subscribing for more tech tips and tricks. See you in the next video.